Over the past 20 years, Quantum Workplace has helped organizations like yours build better cultures. Cultures that attract and retain top talent. Cultures that create an awesome employee experience. Cultures that help you win. Introducing Quantum Workplace Engagement. Quantum Workplace Engagement enables you to gauge employee perceptions at meaningful moments with customizable engagement, pulse, and lifecycle surveys. Engagement surveys give you a bird's-eye view of what's happening in your culture. Surveys that help leaders, teams, and employees own employee engagement by giving them a platform to voice their personal experiences. Pulse surveys can be launched at any time on any topic to any employee. They're fast, lightweight, and easy to implement. Automated lifecycle surveys capture real-time employee insight at key moments during the employee journey without the administrative burden. Surveys that launch automatically based on a new hire, exit, or recurring date. Most importantly, our survey analytics give you insight on when, where, and how to make data-driven people decisions. And now, with our new Highlights feature, comment on and bookmark specific results to collaborate on solutions with your team. Keep your leaders aligned by sharing these real-time analytics at the click of a button. Here at Quantum Workplace, we know employee surveys aren't one-size-fits-all. We've designed our survey tools with your unique needs in mind. You can choose a best practice survey template created by our engagement experts. Personalize a survey template to better fit your organization and culture. Or build a completely custom survey from scratch within minutes. Give yourself an easy way to collect employee feedback and take action with confidence. Quantum Workplace Engagement. Building business success through employee success.